Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where I share tips and tricks for getting the most out of your Apple devices. In this video, I'm going to share with you 15 amazing apps for your Apple Watch to boost your productivity, health and entertainment. If you enjoy this kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more future videos like this. Without further ado, let's get started. App number 1. Weathergraph. Weathergraph is a beautiful hour-by-hour weather forecast at a glance that uses premium data sources with nowcast and rain alerts. This app has probably the best Apple Watch widget complication when it comes to displaying weather conditions. I just love how the data is presented. You can see the current temperature, clouds, sky color and even wind speed. You can of course fully customize the view and display the data you want. I like the 24-hour view. It gives me an idea about the weather for the whole day. You can use the digital crown to navigate through days or double tap on the graph and access weather conditions for the whole week. Probably the most important feature for me is to understand the rain chances. The blue strip represents how heavily it will be raining, so I can better adapt my clothes to the current weather conditions and estimate the best leaving time to avoid rain. I am a cyclist, so weather conditions are really important for me. If you have a bicycle, you know what I'm talking about. I absolutely love this app. It's way better than the native weather app on the Apple Watch. Number 2. Heart Analyzer. Heart Analyzer offers users the ultimate insights into their health data right on the Apple Watch. Heart Analyzer uses the rich data recorded by Apple Watch and gives you a powerful understanding of your heart vitals. You can see charts on the go for move, exercise, cardio points, HRV, blood oxygen saturation and resting heart rate. Also, you can check in-depth information about your heart rate activity in workout sessions right on your wrist. Tap into the details as soon as you finish your exercise. I like customizable complications to keep you up to date with your heart rate and also support for blood oxygen saturation, heart rate variability and resting heart rate trends. My favorite watch face complication shows today's and yesterday's heart rate trends so I can compare my heart activity from 2 days. I just like how it looks. Also, I like to use the HRV readiness complication as well as weekly heart rate trends and blood oxygen saturation. Number 3. Parcel. Parcel app lets you track your packages from almost all postal services around the world right on your wrist. I like using this app because I'm ordering a lot of stuff on the internet. Sometimes I have deliveries from different countries and I need to keep track of my packages. The Parcel app allows me to quickly check updates right on my Apple Watch. Of course, to add new trackings you have to use your iPhone, but once it's there, you can use your Apple Watch to check the delivery status. The free version allows you to track up to 3 packages at the same time. If you want to track more deliveries, you can purchase the premium subscription, but I rarely have more than 3 packages at the same time. Number 4. Nike Run Club. Nike Run Club is an excellent workout companion packed with a lot of cool features like different training plans and guided runs for beginners. This app works great with the Apple Watch and it can truly unlock or reopen your enthusiasm for running. And since it's free, well, there is zero reason not to give it a try. The app's primary focus is to help users track and improve their running performance while offering various features and functionalities to enhance the overall running experience and make it fun. The app uses GPS technology to accurately track your runs, recording essential data like distance, pace, route, elevation, speed, and heart rate. Nike Run Club offers various pre-designed training plans for different goals, such as running a 5K, 10K, half marathon or marathon. These plans are designed by professional coaches and tailored to different fitness levels. The app provides guided runs with audio feedback from professional athletes, coaches, or celebrities, which can be motivating and entertaining during your workouts, especially if you're a beginner and you don't like running alone. By the way, I made a separate video about Nike Run Club, so check it out if you're interested. Number 5. Activity Tracker. Activity Tracker will keep track of your steps, distance, daily active calorie burn, active time, and flights of stairs climbed just by wearing your Apple Watch, which you already do. Activity Tracker is the step counter and pedometer that you already have with you all the time. Research has shown that just by being more active, you will also be healthier. Not everyone wants a rigorous exercise routine, so just increasing your daily activity will get you in better shape. Activity Tracker will automatically quantify your daily and weekly activity and motivate you to be more active. I like the Apple Watch app because it gives you a really simple and comprehensive view of your daily activity, steps, and total distance. My goal is to make at least 10,000 steps per day. The watch face complication on my Apple Watch helps me to keep track of my goal. In the Apple Watch app, you can set your weekly goal, change units, and of course, view all your stats. The iPhone app gives you an even more in-depth view of your activity, so you can see weekly, monthly, and even yearly trends. I like to see how I started moving more when I downloaded this application. The Activity Tracker app, of course, syncs the data with Apple Health. Number 6. Lose It. Lose It is a calorie counter app. If you want to lose or maintain your weight, having a tiny calorie counter on your wrist is super handy. So first, you have to configure this app on your iPhone, define your goal, and once it's done, you can add calories right on your Apple Watch. No need to use your iPhone. The data you entered will be automatically synchronized to your health app. What I especially like about this app is the watch face complication. You can always have a comprehensive view of your remaining calorie budget. If you will eat too much, the line will become red. Once you will exercise using your Apple Watch, it will adjust itself and subtract your workout from the total consumed calories, so you will be always up to date. I just want to tell you something really important. If you want to lose weight, you have to count your calories. Losing weight is simple. You just need to consume fewer calories than your normal metabolism requires. And of course, you need an app to count what are you eating and how much. Once you will start doing that, you will start losing weight. Promised. Number 7. Notes for Apple Watch. There is one app I really miss on the Apple Watch, and it's called Notes. Why Apple is not adding this app to the watch? Like why? It's so obvious. But there is a free app called Notes for Apple Watch that allows you to write and read notes right on your wrist. Compose and manage all your notes directly on your Apple Watch. Browse, view, edit, and compose notes with a highly intuitive interface optimized for your wrist. Automatically sync all your notes between your iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. Organize your notes with a variety of color themes for easy categorization. Thanks to Notes for Apple Watch, you can take your notes anywhere. And let's hope that with future watchOS updates, Apple will finally add the Notes app to the Apple Watch. Number 8. Athlytic. The Athlytic app takes all the data that your Apple Watch collects and translates it into actionable insights about your current health condition. I'm using only one free feature in this app, and it's called Recovery. The app analyzes my heart rate variability and resting heart rate to calculate how recovered I am and ready to train today. You can also check your heart rate variability of the current week. The app is very handy, especially for people who train a lot using an Apple Watch. I especially like the recovery widget that I added to my widget stack. I can quickly check my recovery condition before starting my new workout session. Number 9. Training Today. Training Today is a similar app that can indicate how rested you are. It uses the same principle as the previous app. It analyzes various parameters related to your heart activity to determine your fitness readiness level. I like using it in my widget stack so I can quickly check how rested I am before starting a heavy workout session or a long run. This app is free, but it also includes some premium features for a subscription. Number 10. WorkOutDoors. WorkOutDoors is the only Apple Watch workout app showing fully functional vector maps. It is also the most configurable workout app with many screen layouts and more than 600 metrics. It is the perfect app for any type of outdoor workout, such as running, hiking, cycling, swimming, and many more. Total customization is the power of this app. We all are different and we all would like to see different metrics while exercising. This app allows you to personalize your workout experience on your Apple Watch. I especially like the good quality vector map to be able to quickly navigate on the map while running. No need to use my iPhone to get directions. This app costs $6.99 and it's worth every penny I spend on it. Number 11. Pillow. Pillow is a third-party sleep tracking app for your Apple Watch. Pillow can act as your smart sleep assistant. The Pillow app can analyze your sleep cycles automatically using your Apple Watch data. Use Pillow as a smart alarm clock to wake up at the lightest possible sleep stage and start your day refreshed and relaxed. Record important audio events such as snoring, sleep apnea, and sleep talking. Explore trends about your sleep and compare your sleep quality with many Apple Health metrics that affect sleep. I like the automatic sleep tracking feature. Just wear your Apple Watch and discover your sleep quality results in the morning. This app offers some premium features, but if you want to simply check your sleep time and quality, this is a free feature. I especially like the Apple Watch app. It looks nice and offers a comprehensive view on your sleep hygiene. Number 12. Shortcuts. Shortcuts is a free app that allows you to create custom scenarios to run different actions on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Shortcuts deliver a quick way to get things done with your apps with just a tap or by asking Siri. The Shortcuts app enables you to create your personal shortcuts with multiple steps from your favorite apps. Start from hundreds of examples in the gallery or drag and drop to create your own. By the way, I made a whole series of videos about the Shortcuts app on iPhone and Apple Watch, and even a full tutorial on how to make your custom shortcuts. Check it out if you're interested. Shortcuts is probably the most powerful app on iPhone and Apple Watch. Number 13. HiCofee Caffeine Tracker. HiCofee is an exceptional caffeine tracker app that effortlessly allows you to log your daily caffeine intake, packed with data for a multitude of popular beverages. HiCofee also includes a unique caffeine calculator, capable of accurately estimating the caffeine level in your body. By evaluating your caffeine sensitivity, HiCofee tailors a daily caffeine limit just for you, offering personalized advice, while ensuring a balanced caffeine intake, safeguarding your nighttime sleep. HiCofee also provides you with a variety of data charts, helping you to gain insights into your long-term caffeine intake habits and make timely adjustments. I really like the Apple Watch app. It has a beautiful graph showing you how much caffeine is currently in your body and how much caffeine will be left when you go to bed. Using this app, you can adapt your caffeine intake to stay healthy and well rested. Number 14. Night Sky. Night Sky is a powerful personal planetarium right on your wrist. Quickly identify stars, planets, constellations, and satellites in your own beautiful personal planetarium. This is all done magically. Whether you're looking for a constellation or the International Space Station, research it with Night Sky from the comfort of your Apple Watch. I especially like the Apple Watch app because you can point your hand in the direction of the sky and check live where are located different planets and even constellations. If you are passionate about astronomy, you should definitely check out this app. This app is free to use and offers a premium subscription. Luckily, the Apple Watch app works for free. Number 15. Mini Games. As we approach to the end of this video, it's time for gaming. You can actually play simple games on your Apple Watch. Mini Games Watch Games Arcade includes a collection of 22 simple vintage games to play right on your wrist. It's like your own personal games arcade on the go. This app costs $1. Inside this app you'll find games like Flappy Bird, different runners, racing games, and many more. Every game has sound, so playing them on your wrist feels really immersive. And if you are still watching this video, I have one free game, especially for you, my dear viewer. This game is called Dare the Monkey, and it's a free fun runner game for your Apple Watch. Say hello to Dare, your little monkey hero. risk your life by jumping across increasingly tricky worlds. Dare the Monkey is an extremely addictive, super casual, one-touch platform that evokes the spirit of classic arcade and console games. It's a love letter to the golden age of video games, but expertly reinvented for the Apple Watch. You can play using touch or digital crown. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some new apps that you can use on your Apple Watch. These are the apps that I use every day and that have helped me improve my productivity and creativity. If you want to try them out, I've put the links in the description below. Let me know in the comment section which app is your favorite and if you have any other recommendations or suggestions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!